Okay, so here's this dryer control here. Basically, I've already tested all continuities, but there was only one burned one, one burn contact on this switch right here. And if everything's clipped on, yeah. Of course, this is, we're used to testing 12 volt things here, but amps are amps. And, that's a pretty good size load. Couple 100-watt halogen light bulbs in series, and this is working every time. Contact cleaned up pretty well, so I think that was your primary problem. Every other one of these switches here trips something else, or is a canceller, or one cancels the other two. It's kind of a complicated little mechanical arrangement inside. But yeah, all of them have continuity. Take my word for it, I just tested them. Okay, short video, thank you.